How to fix WhatsApp multiple accounts feature not showing on Android. Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can fix the issue of your WhatsApp multiple account feature not being shown on your Android device. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. And before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So one of the thing maybe because you haven't updated your app, for that you would just need to simply go to Play Store. After going to Play Store, search for WhatsApp and try updating your app if any kind of update is available. Right now I have an update, so I'm just simply gonna tap on update and wait for the app to be updated. After that, the next thing we can do is delete the app and reinstall the application onto the device and try seeing for that feature again. If that also doesn't work, maybe because your app is not compatible for that app, or if you haven't updated your app, you may just simply go to your settings and here look for software update. If any kind of update is available, you may just simply tap on install and update your device. So the next thing is we can also clear the cache. We can just go to apps under settings. We can easily find that feature and here search for WhatsApp. After that, simply go to storage here and tap on clear cache. And the next thing we can do is simply try restarting our device as well. If that also doesn't work, then last thing we can do is simply open your WhatsApp and go to the settings. And under settings, you can find this help center. Simply tap on help center and report your problem to them, and WhatsApp will reach out to you, try helping fix your issue. You may just simply tap on this contact us and give information about your problem, and they should try helping you. So therefore, by following this method, you can fix your WhatsApp multiple accounts not showing. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.